Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4 Moral Science. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 7 Punctuality. So, all of you take out your page number 26, chapter 7 Punctuality. What is meant by punctuality or punctual? Have you heard the word? Yes, punctuality is a quality, is a great quality. Be punctual means on time. So we know that time is very important, very precious, very valuable to us. Each and every second is very important to us. It is necessary to learn everybody to use the time properly, and there is no time to waste. So don't waste our time. Use our time properly. So there is a time set for everything, isn't it? For wake up, then doing our daily routine, having food, getting ready to school, going to school, and everything, doing our homework, tuition time, and everything has a time. So if we do our duties on time, that is known as punctual. Okay. So this punctuality is a great quality. So people who are punctual will be appreciated by others. The people who or the children who do their duty well on time, they are appreciated by others. That means others will say good things about you. But those who are not punctual, that means not doing their duties properly on time, they waste the time, and they create problems or inconvenience to others. Inconvenience means problem. They create a problem to others. They create problem to them and others also. Okay. So usually the lazy people are not punctual. They take everything easy. They have no respect for others. They are selfish. Very often they are failures in life. So what we have to do? The time set for everything. Do the things properly on time. Be punctual. If we late school, the school gate will be closed, and that create a problem to others also. That means the gatekeeper, he will come, then he has to open the door again, gate again. Then you create problem to the children and teachers and principal. Then when you reach the class, you create the problems to the class teacher and other children also. Okay, you will not get proper space to sit. So all these are the problems created by not be punctual. If you are not punctual, these problems will be arise. Understand? So what you have to do? Be punctual every time. Okay. Punctuality. This punctuality you have to practice from your childhood. Clear? So here is a story. I will explain the story that Rohan was always late, and he was called Late Rohan. Rohan, a boy, was there, and he was always late, and he was called Late Rohan. Because of his late children, people called him Late Rohan. Once the school bus had to wait 10 minutes before Rohan came. All the children in the bus were annoyed with him. They had an examination that day. When they reached the railway crossing, they found that the gate was closed. The children were upset and angry. They shouted at Rohan and blamed him. When they reached the school, the examination had started. They were all very sad, but Rohan did not feel anything, even though he was the cause of his unhappiness. So what happened here? Rohan was a boy, and he was late for everything. He was always late for everything, and he was called Late Rohan. Once the school bus had to wait 10 minutes for Rohan, because Rohan 10 minutes late. Rohan was late for 10 minutes, and the children in the school bus were annoyed him. Annoyed means became angry. because that day they had an examination. When they reached the railway crossing, when Rohan came and the bus started and they reached the railway crossing, it was closed. You know that when the vehicle has to pass the railway crossing, the railway, if the time of the train, it will be closed. No. Then after the train gone, then the gate opened, then they reached the school. It was very late. Already the exam had started. So the children became very angry and they shouted at Rohan and blamed him. Blamed means complained at him. Okay. When they reached the school, the examination had started. They were all very sad, but Rohan did not feel anything. But Rohan had no feeling, even though he was the cause of this unhappiness. All the children were unhappy because already the exam had started. They will not get time to complete the exam now. So all the children were very unhappy and they were very sad and they blamed Rohan. But Rohan did not feel anything, even though he was the cause of his unhappiness. Who created this problem? Actually, Rohan created this problem, inconvenience to others also, trouble to others also. But Rohan had no feeling about that. So late for everything except for every meal is a famous saying. There is a proverb that late for everything except for every meal. Except for every meal, except for meal. Meal means food, and late for everything. That is a famous proverb. There are some people who like this. They are concerned only about themselves. They are selfish and greedy. For them, other people do not exist. Here, Rohan only considered himself. He loved himself. He did not respect others. Okay, that means he did not give any value for others' time. He is selfish. They are selfish and greedy. For them, other people do not exist, and they did not think others people's time. So that is why this is happening. So it is not possible to plan anything with the people who are not punctual. They are unreliable people. No one will like them. If people are not punctual, we cannot plan anything with them because they are unbelievable or unreliable people. No one will like them. So this punctuality, it is a great quality. If the people are not punctual, we cannot believe them. We cannot trust them. Okay, and we cannot do anything with them. So no one will like them. So what you have to do? Always be punctual because it is a great quality. Okay. Then in order to be punctual, one has to make some sacrifices. We have to do some sacrifices, dedications. That means we have to avoid our good sleep. Okay. And set an alarm for waking up. So which time we have to wake up, that time we have to set an alarm. So that time we were in good sleep, deep sleep. We have to disturb our sleep. So we have to do some sacrifices to us. Something good we have to avoid. Then only we become punctual. So one should have a strong will. One should have a commitment. Only a person who keeps promises can be punctual. So we have to keep our promises. The correct time I will reach there on time. That we have to keep in mind. We should have a strong mind, strong will for that. Then only we become punctual. That means that things we have to practice in our life. Without practice, nothing can be done. Okay. Then punctuality comes only through practice. It should be cultivated while we are young. We should be convinced that it is wrong to be late for anything, anywhere. Lack of punctuality creates problems for the persons as well as for others. If we don't have punctuality, that create problem to us and others also. So what do you have to do? Be correct, be on time, be on correct time. Okay, be punctual every time. Clear, all of you? Understood? Okay, so read this chapter well, and next class I will give the question answer. Okay.